Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this episode is just going to be a short crypto TA. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us when the stream is on, join us on the Discord. The links will be going out right now. Oh, they went out. Great. And we're going to pin it here on YouTube in a second, guys. Thank you all for joining me. Let's go in the house. And message. Jeff Loomis, hey, what's up, brother? How's it going, man? Sakmar, hey, how's it going? Steve, yo, and Andrew, hey, how's it going, guys? Again, short stream. Bitcoin Jake, how's it going, man? Short stream. I only got chance for, we're going to do Bitcoin, Ethereum, XLM, Bitcoin Z, ADA, and then there's room for 2 more coins. So if you already requested, leave room for someone else. If you haven't, make sure we only got 2 more coins for request, right? It's gonna be a short stream. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for joining me. What's happening on the crypto sphere, man? I have been like not watching crypto yesterday and today, so I have no clue what's happening here in the market. New setup looks nice. Thanks, Mike. Thank you very much for being here, man. It's gonna be a quick stream. It's awesome, dude. Yeah, thanks. This is the background right now, right? Different background. Trying not to look orange. Don't read the blue line background and the camera color correcting. I have not had time to sit down and do this yet, but thank you for being here, guys. AGIX, sure, man. Let's put AGIX on the list again. Short stream, guys. Right. One more slot in the list. One more, and that's it. All right, so let's get going. Let's go to market cap, figure out what's happening there, man. Ooh, that's interesting there, Jake. That's quite nice, actually. Market cap. What's happening with the crypto market cap? Hey, Madison, how's it going? We're getting that action to upside, right? We're below that 50% retrace still. So we're below 1.29 trillion, sitting at 1.27. Not really far, but not able to sustain prices above it. We did move up and reject it. Not the end of the world. Sold at 39.17. Again, really not looking at the strongest, but we're also not dropping insanely low. So really waiting for something to happen here. Bitcoin dominance at 46.51. Again, gained dominance yesterday, 0.29%, gaining 0.17% right now. 46.51% of market cap. Not too bad. Yo, what's up, Royal Gamers? Again, short stream, guys. Thank you for joining me for this awesome stream tonight. What's happening here? Potential double bottom, right? We talked about this potential double bottom forming. We even drew it. Look, 1, 2. We're gonna see if it's gonna play out. We don't know yet. We are still rejecting being outside of this, right? High Card Jesus said talked about this double bottom. We have broken out of this triangle. We're hugging it on the way down and not really taking off going far away from it. We have a target up there at the 20 moving average that we haven't met. So let's go here on the daily. On the daily, we had some bullish divergence, strong by the looks of it. We have not gone up. We did go up yesterday, right? But we have not gone up a lot today. And we're still trying to hold support at $31,432. So if we try to go up, target will be at $33,090, and then above there, $33,309. But we're gonna probably hit that 20 moving average first, and that is gonna be at $33,275. Are we gonna get there, man? That is the quintessential question for Bitcoin right now. Are we gonna go up? Are we gonna be strong enough to go up? We know the weekly has not been looking strong. We're actually gonna look at the weekly real quick here for the closings. Look at the weekly here before we keep on moving. Look, right, that head and shoulders looks as though it's trying to move us down. Last week we did move down, and right now we're also starting to move down on this new week that we just started. Hopefully we recover some, but again, we have not regained that neckline, and we want to regain that neckline, right? Otherwise, it could be painful for Bitcoin. We've talked about that before. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Bullish divergence, and this was when we were here 2 days ago. So, action to the upside. We did move up. Great. So our last call was good. We did move up. That is awesome. We've been moving up throughout the 16th, right? Even though we came down here, found support, popped, tried to get above that 20, failed to get above 20, and right now we're failing still to be above that 20. But again, holding support at 31,432, which is pretty good. Hopefully we're able to move up from here. Low to high, positive, less positive, and low to high, nothing here. Neutral at 46.14. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1 hour, bullish divergence, right? We're looking for it here. Boom, we got it. Action to the opposite. We're already looking for this, right? We have it at 10 p.m. Moved up. Great. Low to high. Low to high. Here we do have the small island that gives us that break. Low to high, low to high. Everything's good here. There was nothing bearish breaking us down. Sadly enough, we just moved down, which is not good. You usually want to find something for the reason that we're moving down. Might be something here in the half-hour chart that we could find as a reason for that movement down. So looking for something here, right, on this move. High, higher, high. Nope, we're still coming higher and higher still. So there's nothing bearish, man. Really. No reason for us to reject. Is there a trend line resistance that we could draw? Doubt it. Nope, no trend line resistance. That is fine. What else could be here, man? I mean, if we ignore this island and we go low, right, low to high, we could be going high to low and say there is strong bearish divergence. I really don't want to do that because I'm ignoring this small island break here, which is it's just 2 bars. It becomes, and then the next 2 red ones are also just 2 bars. So it becomes a whole thing of whether or not we want to acknowledge this to be a valid island break. If we don't, we do get a reason for that movement down, and it is a strong bearish divergence that we would be building on the move from here to here. Right, that is a move that we could be getting here on the Bitcoin. Let's come back here, put in the 1 hour. There it is, and the move would be from here to here, right? But that ignores this, right? This will be considering noise. If we consider that to be noise and not to be a valid move for a break, yeah, we could say there's strong bearish divergence. We would be looking for action downside, and then we broke down. Low to high. Negative, more negative. There's some hidden bullish for that small rally to happen. End up going from here to here. And from here to here. Crypto Dingo, what's up? See, but the fact that I'm anchoring this for the hidden bullish gives validity to this area. The question is, could we have hidden bullish from back here? Yes, we can. So we could say that we have hidden bullish and ignore that small break there. And that would be anchoring from here, right? Still the same thing. Hidden bullish, action to the upside, popping, hitting the 20, rejecting consistently. Good. Not necessarily the best, but we did reject lower prices. We're trying to get above that 20 again. Hopefully we get above that 20 and try to move somewhere. Bitcoin has just been in this massive indecision forever. We could say that we're still consolidating within the 30,000s. Let's go to Ethereum. 1,884. On the daily, bearish divergence, right? Action to the downside, move down. Where to? Support, 1,844. We weaked it a couple times. Oh man, we were slightly higher yesterday, almost 2,000. That wouldn't have been that bad. Right now, low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. Sold at 39.38. So we don't really have a lot going on here on the daily. We're just still moving sideways. So let's go to the 4 hour. We had bullish divergence. We moved up on that. That is great. Now on the move, high, to low, low to high. Look at that, hidden bearish, right? Hidden bearish divergence. That gives us action to downside. That action to downside, well, it moves down. That's what we're looking for right now. That moving down. Look at this. Boom, blam. There it is. We just don't have it against the MACD, also against the RSI. So hidden bearish, moving down on that. Nicholas, what is up, my friend? Thank you for being here.
What's up?
So rejecting, right, on hidden divergence, moving down. Nothing else happening here that is bullish. We're below 20 moving average. Hopefully Ethereum can reclaim that zone. Neutral at 43.73. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, that's the last coin we're going to look at, right? And then after that, no more coins. XRP takes the last spot on the list. Right, so Ethereum. Again, we had this bullish divergence. Play to the upside, reject it, move lower, try to hold. Still higher than the previous low. Continuation to the upside, that's fine. We can even say that here we created some strong bullish divergence before that move up. And they want to use that tool. Let's see, because I keep... See, I'm clicking the shortcuts. It's not... There we go. I just want to use shortcuts sometimes. They don't work when I'm clicking them. And it's freaking messy sometimes. Anyway, strong bullish divergence. Took that pop. Low to high, and low to high. Nothing bearish. Breaking down. Probably following Bitcoin. We're still creating some hidden bullish here. And then strong bullish here in the short term, right? So those are the moves. From here to here, that'll be one, and then the other one from here to here. Right? Look at that. From here to here. Potential for action to upside and strong bullish. We might start to get. We're starting to see some action to upside. We might go for that 20 moving average. That would be around $1,918, and that will be the target that we were looking for on Ethereum, right? Again, that is if we continue with this action to upside. I don't remember seeing anything like this in Bitcoin. No, we don't have that in Bitcoin, right? It's just an Ethereum. So up next, XLM. Again, I'm moving quick, guys, today. It's gonna be a short stream, right? Ooh, something fell there on the kitchen. 22.66 cents. Let's go here in the daily. We're still moving sideways. We're still moving down. And we're still trying to create this divergence. Look at that. We're moving to here. We're still coming from negative to positive and the low to a higher point, man. It's just not going to get us anywhere. Yo, dude. Thank you very much for the follow. Music sounding weird. Let's play this one. Oh, what? There's something off with the music. Gotta reload player. This is gonna be quick. There we go. Anyways, bullish divergence strong. It just hasn't played out. I'm waiting. We're below 236. We're waiting. For our chart, we're looking for that bearish divergence here. Look at that. Boom. We move down. Right? Low to high. Low, lower, low. Negative, more negative. Lower, lower. There's nothing here that is bullish, so let's go to the 1 hour chart. Last thing we're looking at here was this. Was some bearish divergence. We moved down that. Boom. From down since the 15th. Low, lower, low. Are we creating that bullish divergence here? Yes. Bullish divergence. One moves from here to here. The other move from here to here. I believe we're going to have divergence in both, so we'll see. Strong bullish, pumped on that. And then once more from here to here, right? Even to here. Strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. We could go up, hit that 20 moving average at 23.09 cents. That is fine. Low, lower, low. That's it. Nothing here against the RSI. Just against the MACD, strong bullish divergence. Let's see if we can manifest this into a rally. For XLM. May, what's up, dude? Dog. Yeah, a lot of dogs, man. A lot of dags. A lot of dags. Bitcoin Z, I think, is up next. Dude, what is the ticker for this thing? BTZ, I think? Nope. Not it. Alright, so I'm gonna have to look. Jake, you asked for the weirdest coin today, man. You get a word with this coin. Yes, ask for the this coin out there. Yeah. Bitcoins. It was BTC Z. It's not here. Right. Where's this trading at? Where is this at? Alright, so super cheap. Went to like 3 zeros and then 3515. Right on, dude. Was it not Jude Jake that asked for BTC Z? Someone asked for it. Oh, it was you, man. You get the weirdest coin award. Yeah, it's not chartable, dude. I want to try to look for it here, see if you have anything, but I guess Gravy X, that's it. Jake's starting to take after Andrew. I know, isn't that weird? Let's zoom out here, man. All right, so point, is it like 1.2 sats, I think? Or maybe even less than that. I'm not even sure how many zeros are there in this coin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1.2 sats. Right. No, so I think there's already a MACD and the RSI here from last time we looked at something. Right. So on the daily, high to low, nothing here that is bearish. Sideways motion coming in. I mean, it's not the strongest call, but you know, there would be some bullish divergence. It's not letting me draw the line. All right, anyways, from here to here, right? So negative, less negative as we're moving sideways. And on the daily, there's some medium bullish divergence, right? Here on the 4 hour. Low, lower low, negative, less negative. We thought we would have some strong bullish divergence, and with that, the potential for action to the upside. Hopefully, we start to get a bounce here on Bitcoin Z, and we are just oversold. Not reliable right now on the RSI because of where it's at and the way it's been behaving, right? So there is bullish divergence. Let's go on the daily. Low, lower low, negative, less negative, strong bullish divergence. We should be looking for action to the upside. We're not getting it. We also we don't have that against the RSI, but you know, we should be looking for a pump. I'm not sure with this microcap, Jake, though, and the way some microcaps behave is whether or not you can you're gonna get it to play. It's gonna be weird because it could be moved easily by people that hold massive amounts, but it could be good. Bitcoin zombie because it didn't look that. What the heck? May is killing it with the jokes tonight. You hear Nada on the daily, man. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing here that is bullish, right? Yeah, we were looking for some bullish, and then we pulled back a slightly higher, right, as we closed. So we kind of killed the bullish divergence that we were looking for. And we could say it's one of those things that because we had it, we lost it, right? And we've talked about that before. We did manage to close above the 50% retrace, and it looks as though we're trying to hold on to that zone, which is very nice. That 50% retrace at $1.16 right now at $1.17. 4 hour chart. Bullish divergence. We pumped, hit that 20, rejecting. We're starting to get squeezed between the 20 and our support line there at the retrace zone. And this might not be the one we're looking for right now. We could be looking at something like this for a break potentially. Right. So that would be a resistance right now. We need to break that. I want to break that resistance. There's nothing else happening here that is bullish. We do have some hidden bearish now. To low. Let's look at this here on the 4 hour chart. The 4 hour chart is brought to you by nothingness. No one brings you the 4 hour chart. There we go, right? Bearish divergence, action downside, moving down, not breaking lower than the previous low. So we're just now, we could say we're consolidating until we break either above that 20 or below that 50% retrace. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Does that say show feet? What? Does what say show feet? That's a weird comment to me. All right, so high to low, high to low, high to low. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna look at is this divergence that is here, and that is hidden bearish. False flags in the chat. Ooh, false flags. What is up? You've been here, man. Oh yeah, in the other chat. Yeah, show feet. Ha! I just seen that. That's pretty cool. I was like, I can't see that in the chat. I've seen it. Flags, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Yeah, he's on D Live. Take a read here and see where this at 00319 316, slightly less. So 319 and 316, we could just say it's moving sideways, right? So we're not gonna have divergence. I was trying to look for some kind of maybe hidden divergence. We don't have it. Low to high, right? On the shorter term, there is some strong bullish, but it might not play out as strong. Reason for that is just slanted divergence. We're in the same island. You might see that pop hit that 20 at $1.18. We'll see. The other potential move for ADA after hitting that, you know, get above that 20, we can try to go higher. Maybe retest $1.20. Rejection there to get us to go back and retest $1.16, right? Neutral at 44.93, man. Yeah, dude, this yeah, let's play it by ear this next week, man. Still gonna be a little bit on and off, right? So I'll let you know. For sure, Tuesday there's not gonna be a stream. Monday, tomorrow there'll be a stream. I'll just probably be short also. AGIX. All right, let's do that one now. Let's get here in the daily. Ooh, not a lot of data. Nice. All right, so there's two fibs we can do. I want to do the first one from low to high. I just want to see where we're at. All right, we're going down, hitting that 618 and holding support there. That is what we want to look at right now because we want to see where we are going and whether or not we made a valid retrace. The other one we could go is go from high to low. Right, and I just missed here on the high a little bit. And this one is just to know on this move how much we retraced. We retraced and wicked higher than the previous 100% before we retraced. And on that larger one, we're breaking farther down, right? So again, two fib nodes we could do here. I want to get rid of this one. I'm just going to keep this one because this is the one that matters the most. The most recent in that 618. We should be looking for a bounce, maybe to try to get that 50% retrace or slightly higher. Again, this is at 18 cents. Could go back up above 19 cents if we hold the 618. If we fail that 618, could be looking for maybe that 786, right? That would be at 16.10 cents. There's no data here that we could draw on, so let's go on to the 4 hour. Low to high, high to low, bearish divergence. There is this bearish divergence strong for potential action to the downside. Strong bearish, moving us down. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. On this last bit, strong bullish, right? Strong bullish divergence, but we're not getting the pump. We're not getting the weirdest or coolest pump of all. We're just pumping and moving sideways. All right, there was strong bullish. Hit that 20, rejecting, but we're failing to drop lower on the previous low. So we could be trying to get another crack at that 20. And if we do, we could be looking for maybe some action to the upside here. It's gonna depend on how we move once we get to that 20 again. Sold at 38.91, still pointing down, so we'd still be looking for action to the downside still. John Smith, how's it going, man? We don't know, unfortunately. I demand, Mr. Martin. Glad you move out of that Christmas tree light factory. I know, Mr. Flags, thank you very much for that. I appreciate it. Yes, the bulls and the bears, right? the quintessential fight on Bitcoin. Yes, got myself some wall art. How long till the next bull run? I don't know. I really wish I could tell you. No one knows. No one knows precisely because we don't know right now if we're going to keep on dropping or pumping. Right now we're in a period of indecision on Bitcoin. And it's not looking at its strongest. That's the only thing I can tell you, right? So be careful with the corn. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, sold at 38.91, still pointing down. Bullish divergence, really not triggering that strong move. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. High to low, positive was positive, low to high. Hidden bearish divergence. Positive, on price action, we're making a less. We're going up, but with, you know, to a lesser point, and we are rejecting, and we're going higher here on the RSI, and with that, we're creating that hidden bearish, bringing us back down. Yeah. Steve wants to start this week, and next week he's gonna say the same thing. It either starts this week or we're waiting till the end of the year. Right, sold. 35.43. Started to turn around here. It looks as though we might try to do some action to the upside. I really wish we had something bullish to draw on. But there's nothing bullish here on AGIX right now. On the 1 hour. Let's go to the XRP, man. Oh, I clicked on XTZ. Here we go, XRP. At 58.16 cents. Let's get on that daily. High to low, low to high, right? Moving back down. So you have something else? Low to high, negative, less negative. Look, we broke 58 cents. Now we're facing at resistance. So if we fail to get above that 58-cent mark, we should be looking for a hit at 54.81. Or if we hold and try to get above that area again, we could be aiming for a 63.36. But given current market conditions, I'm not really feeling super bullish or overly optimistic on price action. Right, let's be honest, man. I mean, it's not, the market's not feeling at its most bullish, right? It's also not feeling super bearish, and that's why I'm not confident in the price action, right? That's why I'm like waiting. I told you guys that a couple weeks ago. I'm just waiting. Right now, it's a waiting time. We want to see if we either withdraw money from the market or add more money to the market. Anyways, bullish divergence strong, pumping, hitting 20, rejecting, hitting 20 again, rejecting. We're not strong enough to get above that 20. Some hidden bearish, right? Some hidden bearish, high to low, low to high. We're positive, however you want to call this. There's still hidden bearish, and we're rejecting that 20 because we have that hidden bearish divergence, right? Yeah. Hopefully we start getting moving up before the end of July, man. That'll be the best thing, right? Right, so I was looking here, high to low, positive, high to low, right? Low and high, negative, less negative, low to high. Low to high, negative, less negative, low, high. There's nothing bullish, nothing bearish here. Again, we're just getting consolidation at this level. Back here, we did have some bullish divergence strong. It already pumped us to the upside. After that, we created some hidden bearish. That's part of the reason that we're stagnating, you know. But other than that, there's really not a lot happening here. And the market has also not been the most exciting over the last couple days. I miss the days when it was just boring, when we were getting pumped, Steve. I'll tell you that, you know. What are we doing? No, the market's pumping. It was boring, but it was a little bit more exciting than just sideways. We're due for a pump. Hopefully we get a mighty pump. We are due for a mighty pump. Staying neutral at 45.69. Steve knows what I'm talking about when I say it was boring, when it was just going up every day. I was like, what are we doing? Oh, we're making a new higher high. What are we doing? Oh, we're making a new higher high, man. boring, the boring all-time high. I know. Where are they now? I miss them, man. I miss them boring all-time highs. I'll tell you what, boring all-time highs are better than boring sideways motion. At least it was boring, but a little bit more exciting. Right now, it's just like boring, and we don't know where we're gonna go. That's gonna be, guys. It's gonna be the stream for tonight. It's right on time. Right on time. Half an hour stream, bro. Half an hour stream. Covered everything. I'm gonna go back to the corner real quick, see where it's at. 31,680 something. Indecision, still rejecting that 20. We need to get above that 20 moving average. Otherwise, maybe coming to a lower low. Still within the fallen wedge, right? Still in the fallen wedge. Where's Gavin when it's sideways? I know, I don't know. I haven't seen Gavin in a while. I think he's lost. We don't know where he's at. Anywho. Maybe calling a stream here short. There's something happening. Right. Sunday evenings are let down. I'm sorry about that, man. I really wish it was better for you. But yes, I need a week of work. That's gonna be it, guys. Thank you for watching again. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. You can join us on the Discord. Links have gone out there on top of the description. And if you like what we do, you know what to do. You should hit the like, you should hit the bell, and you should hit the sub. For some reason, that's not going out. There we go. Hit the like, hit the bell, and hit the sub. Join us on the Discord, right? Again, quick stream, dude. Yeah. Oh, Soka, thank you for being here, man. I didn't notice you were here. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is all for entertainment and education purpose only. If you haven't done it, hit the like. We're liking on the likes. And hit the like on the way out, guys. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Crypto. It's gonna be short tomorrow, right? But we'll see.